In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an Emergent AI honest review. If you're a solo founder, indie hacker, or a product lead trying to move quickly without hiring a full team, this video is for you. As Emergent AI promises end-to-end application creation, front-end, back-end, auth, data, and deployment from a single conversation. The best way to use it is simple. You treat it like a senior prototyper that can get you a working product fast, and then you can refine what matters. I'll explain what Emergent actually is, show you how the build flow works at a practical level, where it's strong, the cons, what it costs, and who should be using it. At the end of this video, I'll give you a straight call on whether it's worth your time or not. If you would like to try it out while you watch this video, go ahead and navigate to the link in the description down below. Create your free account at no additional cost to you. Now, what Emergent actually is in plain language, Emergent is an agentic vibe coding platform. You describe what you want and a set of AI agents plan the architecture, write code, wire services, and get you to a running application that you can deploy. It's marketed to be production oriented, not just a markup tool with integrations and deployment built in. The company also has meaningful traction, millions of users according to their site, and press coverage noting 15 million ARR in just 90 days after launch, alongside a recent funding round. And that means that the tool is here to stay. The agentic part also matters. It's not one big bot guessing. It coordinates specialized steps with planning, building, validating, and integrating, and keeps context so you can iterate it without starting over. The positioning is clear on their site and integrations pages. Now, this is how the build flow actually feels. You start in a chat box with a blank prompt. You give it a concrete spec, clear stack preference, or you let it choose the best, auth method, the core entities, and critical workflows. Emergent AI will ask you clarifying questions and then spin up the application. So in a typical run, you will likely go through the planning. It outlines entities, routes, data model, and auth, implementation with the UI, API, and database scaffolding, validation as it runs checks to make sure that things boot and endpoints respond, and then preview to deploy as you can test in a preview environment, then deploy. Two things stand out. First, we've got the parallelism, as it feels like several things happen at once instead of a single serial pass. And second, we've got iteration, as you can say add OAuth alongside email magic links, or convert the theme to a dark one, or add Stripe checkout, and Emergent will apply different things rather than nuking the project. The platform is built to plug into your stack, with cloud services, auth, data, and exposes a simple path to ship. Their public site is explicit about integrations and bring your own tools, which is important if you already live in Stripe, Supabase, or your favorite auth. Here is what it does super well. First of all, you will have the speed to something real, as you don't just get a landing page, you will get a runnable application with auth, CRUD, routes, and a database wired. That's a big difference between a demo and an MVP that you can actually test with users. Second, we have iteration without starting over, as you can layer changes with the new entities, different auth, paid plans, simple dashboards, and Emergent will keep context and adjust existing code paths instead of regenerating from scratch. It's also built-in path to ship, as you can preview and deploy from the platform. You're not stuck copying snippets into 5 other tools just to show something to a customer. Their materials stress shipping and integrations, not just UI screenshots. Finally, market proof, it's not just a toy. The growth numbers and recent funding don't make your application good by default, but they do signal that this isn't a weekend project. That matters a lot if you are betting on a tool for the next 6 or 12 months. As for the cons themselves, you may still need some taste and guardrails. Emergent gives you a strong first draft. If you care about code style, performance edges, or domain-specific rules, expect to review and tune. AI alone will not invent your product judgment. We also have the credit economics, as Emergent runs on credit systems. Builds, bigger changes, and deployments consume credits. Also, community guides note that a deployment will use a fixed monthly credit allotment per live application. So you want to plan your usage with that in mind. You don't want to be burning credits on a throwaway experiment in the same workspace that you use to ship. As for the pricing itself, we've got a free tier with up to 5 credits per month just to test out a couple of prompts, a standard tier at $20 per month that gives you 100 credits that reset every single month. So essentially, it is built for solo founders and small teams who need to validate demand fast. Emergent gets you a working product customers can click through, pay for, and use in just a few days, not weeks or months. It's great for PMs and designers who want to test real flows, not mockups. You can run user sessions against a live application and learn what to keep. Developers who hate scaffolding, as you let Emergent lay the rails and then you push it the last mile. So the bottom line is that Emergent is legit for MVP to pilot work. It's fast, it handles the boring parts, and it gives you a running product that you can charge for. Granted, you still need judgment and you should expect to refine, but that's the job. If your goal is to test a real product with real users this month, then Emergent is worth it. If you need a pristine, long-term codebase out of the gate, start conventional and then bring Emergent in for internal tools or quick experiments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and navigate to the link in the description below this video and get started for free with your Emergent account. Build yourself a super basic application using the free 5 credits that you get, and if it suits you, then you can go ahead and continue with their plan. Get 100 credits, build yourself a real application that you can charge people for. If you have found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, let us know by giving us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos relating to this one.